Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you not recommendable Facebook how to fix. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Facebook, and then all you gotta do is tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen and switch to your page. Now once you have switched to your page, what you need to do is tap on your professional dashboard. Now once you tap on your professional dashboard, all you gotta do is scroll down, and then you'll find an option that says page recommendation. Simply tap on that, and now here you can see your page is recommendable. And now in order to check your status, tap on page status. If you haven't violated any community standard rules or regulations, then your page is good to go. But still, if you are facing that your Facebook page is not recommending, then what you can do is just simply go back and then screenshot this. And once you do that, all you gotta do is go back, scroll down, and here you'll find an option that says help and support. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, here what you need to do is tap on report or problem. And now tap on report or problem once again, and here what you need to do is tap on don't include. Now what you need to do is scroll down and then tap on the pages option. If you are facing this problem on your page, then tap on pages. If not, then tap on profile. Once you have done with that, here what you need to do is tap on this take screenshot and upload the screenshot that you have taken. And here what you need to do is type in to the Facebook like, hello, my page status of my Facebook is good and it hasn't violated any rules, so I would like you to fix this issue, and something like this. And once you do that, tap on send on the top right corner of the screen. And once you do this, after a couple of days, the Facebook will reach you and your problem will be fixed. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.